We got a bit of a break today from the cold weather that we've been getting and the snowstorm these last few days, and it's a little bit warmer, so I'm gonna work on some stuff as much as I can outside. It looks like tomorrow's gonna rain too, so I'm gonna secure the roof, the solar panels, with a different type of bolt I left off. They're secured temporarily right now, but gotta permanently secure them down, tie them down, and then I also want to install a gray water tank for our van. I'm waiting for a cable or a strap to tie these up. Hopefully they arrive today from Amazon. If they do, then I can get it done, and then that'll be pretty much it with the van build as far as making the van functional. Everything else after that will be just cosmetic and making it look nice. So let's get started. These last 2 days I haven't been able to do too much work with the cold weather, but yeah, I really got to get the van complete so that we can start getting a move on. We are taking too long to finish this van. It's been more than 4 months. So last I left off with the van build, I secured the solar panels onto the roof temporarily. Well, it's secure enough to drive, but because the bolts that I got for the hinges are a little bit too short and that they don't have the proper locking nuts on it, I don't really feel secure. Obviously, it's not the right ones. So I'm just gonna replace some of the bolts and the nuts on this side where the hinges are, and then that will make these solar panels permanently on the roof, and then the solar panels will be completely done. So I just removed the two locking sides. This is going to lift up like this, and I will work on replacing those hinges. I mean those screws on the hinges on that side. I try to use a shovel to help me hold this panel up while I replace the screws on this side. See if that works. I wonder if that's high enough, but let me try. Okay. Yeah, no, I need to go a little higher. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, that's more like it. The first set is now secured. I will continue doing it for the rest of the panels. It's gonna take some time, but that's the main thing, to get these guys secured. Took me about 2 hours, but I'm finally done here. I'm fully secure now. These solar panels aren't going to go anywhere. Like I said before, I still want to try to get this to tilt in a way, maybe manually in the beginning, but I just got to get a nice latch here on these two panels so that I can lift it up and use it as storage. But for now, this is fully secured, and I'm going to leave it at that. Well, I ended up not being able to do much more work after the solar setup. Spencer came down and we were just kind of hanging out, but we're gonna head out for a little bit, and we're gonna make a Home Depot run, return a bunch of stuff, go to Walok, our Chinese supermarket, pick up some more food for tonight's dinner, And tomorrow, if it doesn't rain, then I will continue working on the gray water tank, because I got the straps that I was waiting for just delivered, so I'll work on it later. We're here at the Chinese supermarket here in Staten Island. Spencer just woke from his nap. Let's go inside. Let's go pick up some grocery. Spencer, did you have a good nap? You did, right? It's perfect time. We did a lot of running around, right, with some errands. Went to the UPS store, Lowe's. I mean, not Lowe's. Home Depot. And you missed it all. That's okay. We'll just go to the supermarket, walk around, okay? Should we get the Argentinian shrimps there? Okay, let's grab a box. We're gonna get some pork blood. It's really good. 豬潤都買啲咯，我哋買得快啦。你叫佢幫你揀啦，我唔知。Also gonna get some pork liver. Oh, that looks interesting. It's Korean. Sweet potato bread. You gonna try? Alright, good try. Lotus leaf rice on sale. 2 for $4.49. We don't really need to buy that much stuff today because we already have a lot of leftover from last time we bought. So we're just gonna pick up a few things that we don't have, and then that's gonna be it. Mama's getting this one: pineapple, coconut milk, frozen dessert bar. Okay, and we're gonna get the brown cow yogurt. Spencer really likes this one. Yeah, maple flavor. All right. And we're gonna get a pack of fatty beef. This one looks pretty good. Good fat to lean meat ratio. And I'm gonna get a soy drink. Do this one, yeah? Tofu. You're just hungry. I don't think you really want it. Okay, let's go home. We bought a bunch of stuff today. 係啊，買一盒呢啲咯。
買咗一盒呢隻
25蚊一盒，呢啲都大隻啲好似。
係咪好似你嗰啲？
冇咁大隻。Rina 話揀呢個，試下呢個啦。We'll try this one. These are the Argentinian red shrimps here.
試下呢隻咯。
係啦，試下好唔好味。My mom is just preparing the rest of the food. This is the pork blood here. Washing it. Yeah, 唔好太細粒，我溶晒，碎晒。Pork blood here. And we got the big shrimps here. We don't need to take them all out. We got a big plate right here. These are pretty sizable.
Wow.
Sizable shrimps here.
Big shrimp.
And the soup base of tonight, this one. Wow, this is a homemade soup my mom made. This is a pepper pork stomach soup with chicken. And then we got some duck paws, the pork liver there, and then the usual here, the tofus and fish balls, meatballs, and we actually ended up picking up the bubble tea from the spot we had the other day. This one is actually Spencer's and that one is Rena's, and this spot's pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna have some mean too. Archie's here. Archie's on Mama's chest. We're gonna make some sauce and we're gonna eat, okay? This is Spencer's own bubble tea. His drink is just as big as Mama's. 得一杯一個 size 嘅咋呢個 Yeah. The pork liver, 豬潤 and shrimp paste, Rena's favorite. With the dipping sauce. Yummy, right? Look, there's a nice pack of fatty beef here. Look at the marbling on this. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful. Nice fatty beef. Look at that. You need to take a nap, Archie. Yummy? Yummy, Mimi. Ooh, nice slurping. Nice slurping. Get all over the chair though. Okay, let me clean it for you.
We let you know our name, it doesn't mean you can call my name.
Okay, Rena. Spencer's enjoying some cookie, playing with the iPad a little bit. Got some kids game, a toddler. And this is really like one of the first times we started giving him the iPad to play with some educational apps. I think it's time to let him play with it a little bit from time to time. Right, Spence? Is it on your finger? You got rainbow finger? Is it rainbow finger, Spencer? Wow.
Hey.
Oh, thank you. Well, we're done for the night, and tomorrow I want to see if I can work on the gray water tank. If it doesn't rain, it's supposed to rain all day, but there might be a break in the afternoon. So if there is, then I'll try to work on it. If not, then I'll leave it for another day. But tomorrow night we're going to be heading out to the city, and it's Rena's mom's birthday, so we're going to be having dinner together with her family. So we will be doing that. So we will see you guys later. Okay, we brush. Brush. What do we say? We say, go away, sugar monsters. Do we say go away, sugar monsters? Very good, very good. And on the top. Any sugar monsters in there?
Not that.
Not yet. What about the other side? Let's get them all out. We say, go away. 잠깐만. Almost done, almost ready. I think they're all out. What do you think? You're welcome. Are they out? Okay, I think so too. I think they are all out too. Good job, buddy. All right, let's rinse. Go swallow it. Spit. Good job, buddy. Good job, bud. Looks like it's already stopped raining. It's been raining all morning. I'm not sure if it's going to continue to rain or stay dry, but I'm going to try and get the gray water tanks installed, at least mounted under the van. I don't have all the pieces, the fittings to get everything connected, but I want to get them at least under the van here, get that started. Even though it's raining today, today's one of the warmer days here in New York. This winter it's like 50 something degrees. It's gonna get cold again tomorrow and the days after, so I want to get some work done. Actually, before I mount this, I want to get this thing spray painted. The way I mount this under the van, parts of it is going to be exposed, so you're going to see, if you look down, you're going to be able to see the gray water tank. So I'm going to paint this black. It's going to be less obvious and just going to look better. So let me paint this. I got a spray paint yesterday, and yeah, I'll work on that then while it's still raining a little bit right now. I'm just gonna leave these here to dry, and I'll try to get these installed either tomorrow or the day after when the weather is a little bit better, when it's not raining. It did stop raining, but these are still sitting wet here, so I'm not gonna be able to do anything. And we're gonna be heading out to Manhattan shortly, so we're gonna get ready now, and we'll see you guys over at dinner. little bit of traffic here on the 278, and it's hailing outside too. We're here in Chinatown. Our dinner won't be until 6:30. It's like 4:30 right now. I'm just gonna park at a spot that's no parking until 6 p.m. So we'll just kind of hang out here until we can actually park here legally. Well, we're heading over to the restaurant for dinner, but before that, we're gonna go pick up some bubble tea from Haiti. Let's go inside. Oh, it's so cold today. It was really warm before. Now it's so cold. Okay. All right. You already ordered, right? I'm just gonna pick up. We're gonna be doing dinner here. This restaurant, Royal Seafood Restaurant, 東來。我哋舅父喺度。Okay. Let's go inside. Oh, so windy. Hello， 舅父你好，你好。Oh my god, you a nice mango drink. What do you think? That looks pretty good. We got a stir-fried noodle with crab meat. And we got some sweet and sour pork. Oh, it looks so crispy. Look at that. It's a little sweet, a little sour. Let's try it out. This one is crispy. So crunchy. Very tender inside too. You like the rice, Spence? Whoa, big bites of rice. And for dessert, we got some oranges and red bean soup, 糖水. Yeah, let's go home. That was a really nice dinner with Rena's mom and her uncle. And tomorrow night, we got another dinner with our friends. It's going to be a get-together, a holiday dinner with a bunch of friends and their kids. So that's going to be pretty fun. But I'm going to try to get some work done tomorrow in the morning, afternoon. Still got to get that gray water tank installed. Hopefully the spray paint dried by then. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.